In this video, I will be showing you how to install Notion desktop app for macOS. So let's get started. For this, just search for Notion download. We'll be having the official link from notion.com. Just select it. Here we are having the download option for Mac Universal. If you just click on this drop down, we're also having for Windows and specifically for Mac Intel and Mac OS Apple. If you want to go with the universal one or a specific one, that's up to you. I'll just go with the default universal one and click on download. It is around 207 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it and just drop it inside applications. Now if you go inside applications or if you go to apps over here, we'll be having Notion. Just open it. We'll be getting the Notion desktop app opened. Just sign in with your Notion account. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.